earrings. Let's try it. With these earrings. Now let's ask Rose to go to the party too. Hey Rose, what are you doing? It's time to go to the party.
Yeah, but after I finish cleaning up. Wow, you had a new earrings?
Yeah, how do you like it? Does it look cool?
Yeah, it's really nice. Where did you buy it?
I didn't buy it. I made it myself.
Really?
Yeah.
Can you make one for me?
Sorry, baby, after the party, I have no tools here to make it.
Okay. Wait for me a little bit. I need to clean up.
Wait.
What is it, Joyce?
We can use your old stuff to make earrings for you.
This stuff?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
See, Rose? Now we have 2 pairs of earrings. Do you want to try one on?
Sure. How do I look, Joyce?
It looks really nice.
Try the new one too, Joyce.
Okay. How does it look?
Wow, it's nice on you, Joyce.
Thank you. Now that we're ready, let me help you clean up and then we can go to the party.
Nice, thank you. Let's go. I have any old stuff for?
Oh, golden string, paper clips. We can make jewelry out of this.
Huh? Really?
Yeah, let me show you how.
Okay.
Do you like them, Rose?
Yeah, good job, Joyce.
Thank you. But I'm sure you can do it too.
Really? But how?
You can recycle your old stuff to make earrings like these.
Really?
Yeah, let's try it.
Okay.
Now we have a full collection of earrings.
Very nice. Let's choose one for the party.
Okay. I'll choose the flowers.
And I choose this one. Nice. Now let's go to the party.
Okay. Remember everyone, you can recycle your old stuff to make jewelry like this.
Bye.